Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be going over how to get an overdraft on your Halifax account. Really easy and simple. So if you basically have an account, a bank account with them, and if you want to arrange overdraft, what you do is you can apply for one online through the online banking or mobile banking. And you can basically also apply to increase your existing arranged overdraft limit as well. And now it depends on what kind of account you have. So what you do is you sign in first to the online banking portal. You want to select overdraft from the left hand menu, and then you want to go ahead and click on, so you'll find this under our products and services panel. Click on overdraft, and alternatively guys, if you're using from your bank account, you want to select more options and then overdraft. And on mobile, what you're going to do is select overdrafts from your bank account menu, or what you can do is you can click on a your overdraft options link. Okay, and if you already have an arranged overdraft, you can apply to increase it, or reduce it or remove it entirely using online banking. But you must repay anything you owe if you want to remove an overdraft or anything over the new reduced limit you want. So you basically just do it online. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.